everyone, myself Archana Chhillar from Bhadugarh, Haryana. I had been enrolled in Delhi UPSC Secret Light and Score batch number 30. It's a platform where Arvind sirs help the students to reduce the unpredictability of the UPSC prelims exam by doing detailed analysis of previous year question papers with proper hacks and tricks, elimination techniques, and by identifying the thematic topics asked by UPSC so far. Talking about the affordability of this course, which I think is nearly negligible, which anybody can afford for it without having any dilemma in his or her mind. And the best part of this course is nothing but the way of teaching of Arvind sirs, which is very friendly and in a cooperative manner. He is always available to solve his students' doubt at any time. And at last, I would want to say that if you really want to clear your UPSC exam in your next go, so I think this course will really act as a low hanging fruit for you all, guys. Thank you so much.